Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Today I wanted to show you guys the new Turbo Racing 176 scale drift. And this one is the C62 model. First glance you might think that this is just a model change as far as the older drift, because the drift has been introduced already on the channel. This one is a special edition version right here. This is Brian's Skyline from the movie Fast and Furious. So special edition one here. But this drift here is actually upgraded. This is the Eclipse, in case you guys haven't noticed. But they did manage to squeeze in a little upgrade on this one over the past version, and so let's have a look at that. Looks like everything is the same, but when you look underneath there, you can see this one has metal right here, and so that actually gives you a little more weight up the front to allow this thing to pivot when you're drifting. So this one actually drifts a little better than this one. You can get this one to drift pretty good, but this one makes it a lot easier with this weight on the front of the car there. And so I realized that you can get some pretty awesome drifting going with this little guy. I'm not sure if the others are like that too, because when you look on the side of the box here, it actually shows some of the different drift versions that you can get. This is the original body for the one that I have here. I just took the C74 body off of this one and put it on the C64 drift to get a drift version of the Skyline there. And being that they have all of them on there, I'm not sure that all of them have this upgrade that this one have, but I think it's awesome that this one has this upgrade here. Really wish they did that with this one here. A pretty awesome little upgrade. As far as I can see, that's the only upgrade that came with this thing. It still has the same transmitter. You know, the transmitter has all the same functions. I won't go over all the functions again. If you guys are curious of all the other functions of the drift, then I'll have a link in the description so you guys can check out all the other things that are unique to this drift model. Although this one here is my favorite, this one does drift better. I really like the way this one drifts. It makes it a whole lot easier when you're trying to drift it and all. It makes the gyro seem to work a little better with drifting. And just an awesome little upgrade for this little series here. This is a really awesome little car to have on a rainy day to fool around with, or even just to have at the job. When I'm done all my work, I like to pass time sometimes just driving this thing around on the desk and all, navigating it around obstacles and everything and drifting. Just a really awesome little creation. I'm a sucker for these little mini cars. Curious to how this shell would run on the other innards with the rubber wheels and all, with this metal piece there to hold it down and keep it more grounded a little more. But awesome little car. The Turbo Racing 176 scale drift C62. Thanks for watching.